Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Okay, I'm speaking this just to make this video just well over 1 minute because I hate short video, YouTube short. Okay, so I hope you will watch this entire video. If you don't watch 1 minute, there is no meaning of opening a YouTube. So without further delay, let's get into this. Open Instagram. So and here I am on my Instagram. Don't worry, I will make this 1 minute. Click on your this profile icon, click here, click on setting, click on theme. Here you go, dark system default.